Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to register a new battery with the Pro Tool app. If you don't do this, the battery can overcharge or undercharge. You can have some electrical issues with it. You can also have no issues. Okay, now I already have my phone hooked up with the DCAN cable, OBD to micro USB. And the first thing you want to do is put the key in the slot. I already have mine in. I put the car into accessory mode so that the gauges are on. And we're gonna unlock the phone and open the Pro Tool app. And you can also do this with the Carly app. And I previously had the Carly app on my iPhone, but the Pro Tool app can do the same and so much more. So I think I don't use the Carly app anymore, and I only use the Pro Tool for basically anything. And to get to the battery, we're gonna go to drivetrain, go to engine, we're gonna go to functions. Now you have quite some options here. Now we're gonna go to battery swap. You want to put the amps in that the new battery is gonna have. So for example, your old battery is a 90 amps, your new battery is 70 amps. You want to put 70 amps and standard or AGM, depends on what battery. If it's a standard lead or gel battery, mine is a standard, so you just press standard and then it will say the following routine will be performed at 70 amps standard. I sure wish to proceed. If you press confirm, then that is all. If now I've already done this, so I'm gonna press cancel, and then that's it. Easy as it is. And you can just exit the app, turn the car off, you're good to go. So that's it. Registering your battery is really easy, and it should be done, but it's it's a pretty important thing, so don't forget it when putting in a new battery of a different size. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video or if it was helpful, leave a like, put a comment, anything. If you have a request or have questions, just leave a comment down below. And if you like, just subscribe. I'll put more videos just like these on the channel.